First, I'm going in with the mattifier, and this is targeted for oily skin, and it really like fills in my pores and make my face super matte. Now I'm going in with my HD loose powder. I actually have two powders in my store. This one is a little bit more sheer and it has a yellow tint to it, kind of similar to Sacha Buttercup. So I'm using it to set my primer. You know, if you've been around, I love to do that. I'm going in with my foundation now, and this is my Perfect Finish foundation, and I have 20 shades in my collection, and I'm using DC3. I take a brush and I like to stipple that into my skin. This foundation gives a skin-like finish. It's super light, medium to full coverage, and it's just amazing. Like, it just makes my skin looks like skin. And my beauty sponge is also from my collection, and I just like to, you know, go over it and smooth that out. Now I'm going in with my Perfect Finish sorry guys, concealer, and I'm in DW1, and this concealer is bomb. It is definitely full coverage, and it's pretty much a self-setting concealer. So I put that up under my eyes. Like, I even kind of use too much. Like, I get carried away because I switch through my makeup a lot, so you know, I like to try different things. So like, sometimes I'll forget, like, wow, this concealer is really full coverage, and I kind of put a lot. So you just have to make sure you blend it out very quickly, because it is self-setting, and once it's there, it's not going anywhere. Like, it ain't going nowhere, sis, trust me. And now I live in Florida, if you guys didn't know. I'm originally from Philadelphia, but now I live in Florida, and these products, I'm telling you, in the Florida heat, these products definitely give the heat a run for its money. Okay, next I'm going into my photochromatic pressed powder, and this is in the color Spice Rum, and I use that to set my foundation. And this powder is called photochromatic because it's fabulous and photogenic. It's silky smooth, and it's designed to mask the appearance of fine lines and blur your pores. So I have like huge pores because I have oily skin. So in photos, like, face be sitting, okay? And then I go in with the darkest color, which is Cocoa Bean, to bronze and like contour my face. Okay, I'm so hyped to talk about this product now. So I'm finally coming out with a brow pencil, and this is the Slim Brow Pencil from my line. It's going to be available in 2 colors. It should be available now. It's going to be available Friday, March 22nd, and This brow pencil is like everything, okay? One of my favorite brow pencils was NYX Cosmetics micro brow pencil, and I designed this pencil literally off of that brow pencil because it was so good, okay? I kept it in my personal makeup collection. I kept it in my kit for my clients because that brow pencil just had people's brows like literally on fleek. So a lot of the girls been asking for a brow pencil because one of my first products was the brow pomade. So here it is, guys, and its sister is being debuted along with it, and that is the slim eyeliner pen. And look at that point. Look at that point. It's so skinny, okay? We stand a skinny legend. So this eyeliner pencil is designed for easy use, period. I do not even like eyeliner pencils, well, eyeliner pens, but look how easy it is for me to make like such a precise and sharp wing. I'm more of a gel liner and an angled brush type of girl, but this eyeliner is so flexible. It's not hard. It's not going to tug on your eyes. Like, you don't see any tugging, any harsh movements, and that's exactly what I wanted in an eyeliner pen. I know the girls love wing eyeliner and sometimes it can be hard, so I made this eyeliner pen for everybody that has problems with eyeliner. So we're gonna get that eyeliner short, on fleek, stab the haters, and they'll be very affordable. They'll be available March 22nd. Okay, so I was being really nice to you guys, and this is a sample product, but I am debating on releasing this highlighter palette, and it's obviously going to be for spring because it has all different types of colors in it. And I don't know, I was just being real nice and give y'all a little tea, a little inside look. So it has like a green highlighter, it has like a blue pinkish thing situation, a pink highlighter, and yeah. So I think I use like the golden one. Honestly, girl, I don't know what I use, but don't mind this. This was just a little sneak peek. I also have my loose highlighters that I think I'm going to show in a second. So if you're not into those colors, I also have my loose highlighters. Okay, now we're going in with lashes. Some of you may know that I started off with my 5 lash pack. So now I have, these are my 4D 25mm lashes, which means they're long as hell and they're dramatic as fuck. So I'm wearing the style ATL, and this is me showing y'all the highlighters. That's the color Dash. It's a dupe for Trophy Wife, and then that's the color Santorini. It's a light pink for my lighter girls. So yeah, go check those out. But I am wearing the style ATL, and the lashes, they're one of my favorite from my like single lash collection. They're so cute. I like wear them all the time. So yeah. Okay, and this is me giving y'all another sneak peek at my liquid lippies that are coming out. You guys know that I only have lip glosses on my site right now, so I'm coming out with these liquid lippies, and listen here, bomb. Okay, so right now I'm putting on my lips is a sample of a lip pencil that I wanted to try, and I think I am going to add it onto the site. This color, I don't remember what color this is. I can't really tell. But yeah, I'm using this color. Oh, it's Tiara. Yeah, this is the color Tiara I'm using. So yes, I just made like a cute little ombre peachy lip. And then I'm using my Perfect Finish setting spray, and I spray it on my sponge and I just like press everything in to make it literally look like skin. Like the whole entire baseline is made to look like skin. That's why it's perfect finish, because it's literally like a perfect finish. But because I'm oily, I go over it with a matte setting spray, and that was Cover FX. Okay, and this is me modeling, and you know, this is also my hair collection. I'm going to do another video on that. I'm wearing deep curly for my hair collection. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.